Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Dragon 3-in-1 wireless charging dock, which is great for charging all of your portable devices that adhere to the Qi standard. Now, I've tested a lot of different charging docks, and I really like this one for a few reasons that I'll point out in a minute, but I'd like to start with a basic unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included, and then I'll talk a little bit about the specifications and why I like this particular dock so much. Matter of fact, I've actually got two of these because I got the first one, I'm using it in my office, and I liked it so much I actually added a second one. But let's get to the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the dock. It's got a weighted bottom, it's got rubber feet on the bottom, so when you put it down on a surface, it's not going to move around, it's not going to scratch the surface, and it's got a really unique design. It's got aluminum in the back, and it's got a heavy base, so when you put it down, it's going to stay where you left it. On the bottom, you've got a wireless charging pad that's non-magnetic, so if you have a device that doesn't have the magnetic charging capabilities, just lay it there. It's also great for your AirPods or other wireless headphones that you can charge over the Qi standard. Then you've got a magnetic attachment right here for the iPhones that charge through that magnetic attachment, and you've got a little shelf on the top that you can use to charge your watch. Also included in the kit is a really nice long heavy-duty USB-C to USB-C cable. This unit has a single USB-C connection on the back, and that's the only connection you'll need to make to charge 3 products at the same time, and they include the cable. And unlike a lot of other charging docks, this cable is nice and long, so you can actually plug it into the wall and it'll reach your desk, unlike some of the other kits on the market that give you a cable that's that long and it's completely unusable. Finally, and this is a big bonus, they include a PD-compatible 25-watt charger. So you really have everything you need right out of the box to plug this in and start charging your devices. Now, what do I like so much about this product? Well, for starters, it's a really cool design. It's got this nice curve in the back right there. It gives you plenty of room between the bottom shelf and where your phone actually attaches. I like the fact that I can see my watch on the top when I'm charging everything. I also like the fact that it's somewhat smart. And what I mean by that is, this will handle iPhones in particular from Model 12 up through Model 15 Pro Max. So it's got a really wide range of iPhones that it can charge. It can also charge other devices on the non-magnetic pad on the bottom. But it's smart enough that if you put an older watch on here, it's going to charge it at 2.5 watts. But if you put a newer watch on that can fast charge, it'll charge it at 5 watts. 10 watts here, 10 watts down there. So if you set this up on your desk or on your bedside stand, you clip your phone on the front for the magnetic mount, you put your earpods down here, you put your watch up here, it'll charge while you're sleeping. And the best part is, if you attach your phone to it like this, when it's charging, it'll actually come up with a clock, and you can customize that. So I actually use it as sort of my alarm clock at night. When I roll over, I can see exactly what time it is, and I can tell that I have to get out of bed because the alarm's going off. Now, the unit itself is incredibly easy to use, like I'd mentioned. There's not much to these charging docks. Basically, plug this into the wall, plug the USB-C into this unit, plug it into the back of the actual charging dock, and you're ready to go. And again, what I like so much about the company is that they didn't just deliver the dock, because a lot of the other docks out there are just the dock. And of course, they're less money, but then you've got to go hunting around for a cable that matches up. You've got to find a cable that's long enough to reach the wall outlet. You're going to have to find a charger. And by the time you're done, you end up spending a lot more money. With this one, everything's in the box. So the minute you open it up, plug this into the wall, connect the cable, and just start attaching your products and charging them. And it works really well. And that's all I really had for today. Again, there are a lot of different wireless charging docks on the market. This one is hands down my favorite dock for all the reasons I've mentioned. And as I said earlier, I actually have 2 of these. I have one in the office and one in the bedroom, and I've had them for a couple of weeks and they work really well. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and I hope you found value in this review.